Hi everyone, I'm so excited to finally share my empty apartment tour, but before we jump into that, I want to share today's sponsor with you, which is Sulwhasoo. I've been a huge fan of Sulwhasoo and love their products so much, so I'm really excited that this video is sponsored by them. Sulwhasoo is launching this really beautiful First Care Radiance set. This set comes with a gentle cleansing oil, a gentle cleansing foam for that great double cleanse. It comes with a full-size First Care Activating Serum, which is one of my favorite skin products, and it also comes with a mini essential firming cream. This set helps to visibly firm your skin and improve the look of texture while also prepping your skin for the next products to come. The gentle cleansing oil can be used morning and night to get rid of oils and makeup. I love this oil. It feels really nourishing on the skin. You can follow that up with the gentle cleansing foam for that double cleanse. After I wash my face, I love prepping it with the First Care Activating Serum. This serum helps improve the efficacy of the next products that you use. And last in the set, we have the Essential Firming Cream. You'll just want to apply this all over your face and neck. Don't forget the neck. This set is really great, especially if you want to dabble in double cleansing for the first time. And the First Care Activating Serum I've been using for years. It's really improved the radiance of my skin and helps give it that really nice glow, especially when I pair it with my other skincare products. So this set is a limited edition set that's launching ahead of Mother's Day and would make a really great gift for any mother or mother figure in your life. I know I'm giving this one to my mom. I think she would really love it. And Sulwhasoo believes that beauty does not deteriorate, but exists at every milestone. So of course, across generations as well. I think that's really beautiful, and I love that they're launching this set ahead of Mother's Day. If you're interested in shopping it, it's available now, and I will leave all the links down below for you. A huge thank you to Sulwhasoo for sponsoring this video, and with that said, let's move on to the rest of the vlog and the empty apartment tour. I just got the keys to my new apartment, so let's do an empty apartment tour. I'll show you around. I also just got vaccinated today. This is my first dose. I also have 2 period pimples. I got my period yesterday, so they're there. Okay, I'll show you around. So this is what you see when you first walk in. I love that there's this little entryway here that just really helps reduce the noise from the foot traffic that comes in from the outside. This is the washer and dryer. I can't wait to just do laundry in the apartment. I don't have to lug my clothes downstairs, and this is definitely like a luxury for me right now. When we came to tour the place, the leasing agent actually said that you can connect this to your phone. And then over here is the bathroom. It's actually pretty spacious. This light's it's pretty amazing. I love it. And it also has this side cabinet so I can store some of my toiletries and skincare and everything. I don't know, not much else to say about this. It's a pretty standard bathroom. Oh, I do love these cabinets. These are also like push to open. Oh my gosh, my arm is sore. This is also like push or tap to open. Then we'll walk across here to the bedroom. Let me go in from this way. I pulled the blinds down so I could have some privacy. But it's pretty bright in here. The room looks large on the camera, but for some reason I'm really worried that my bed and my nightstand aren't going to fit in here. I don't know why I feel that way, but I do. So I'm just gonna hope for the best. And then on this side, we have the closet. It's actually pretty spacious. So that's what it looks like. I love that there are shelves here so I can stack like pants and sweaters. I feel like this is perfect for the amount of clothes that I have. Then let's walk out of the bedroom and come into this den area. So this area doesn't have overhead lighting, so I'm gonna have to get a lamp in here. But one of the reasons I really loved this place was because I wanted a separate work area, and this just feels like a really good space for it. This little den area also has a smaller closet so I can store some of my filming equipment in here and whatever supplies, arts, crafts, things that I need. So this area is like technically called a den instead of like a 2-bedroom apartment because there's no door. It's just like an open entryway thing, and there's also no windows, so it doesn't technically classify as a 2nd bedroom. Here we have the area that really won me over. Again, I pulled all the blinds down just for privacy, but there's still a lot of light coming through. I think I do want to get some sheer curtains so that I can get more light coming in. It looks really dark right now, but let me show you from this angle. I love that the floor is this lighter shade of wood. My current place is a dark cherry wood, so I'm really loving this like switch up. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put the TV against this wall because that's where all the outlets and plugs and stuff are. I really debated putting it against here because I feel like it would just make the room flow a little bit more, but I also hate blocking the window, so I don't know if I'm gonna do that. There is a balcony right here. You can kind of see the outline of the railing. It's a pretty nice sized balcony. Here is the kitchen area. I love this kitchen. It is just so cute. I really want to get bar stools for the counter, but I also did just get a new glass dining table, which I've been wanting. I just don't know if everything's gonna fit in this space just yet. So I'm gonna have the movers bring everything in and then see how I can place everything and then decide if I should keep the dining table or not. I just really like the idea of having a space that people can sit at and you can look at each other, like from one end of the table to the other, rather than sitting across a vertical counter where you have to kind of shift your body to talk to the person you're sitting next to or that you're eating with. Like a counter just feels very informal to me and not very like conducive to a place to like really connect. I don't know, maybe I'm overthinking it. I think a counter is great for working space, for like if you're cooking and you want to chat with your friend, but not really to like gather. So we'll see. It'd be awesome if I could have both, but I just don't know how everything's gonna fit. I'm really bad when it comes to measuring out rooms and the space and all of that, so I meant to bring a measuring tape so I could measure out the rooms and give myself some peace of mind, but I totally forgot to bring it. So let me show you the rest of the kitchen. Here's the dishwasher. Honestly, I'm super excited to have this also. I didn't have a dishwasher in my old apartment, and to be honest, I don't know how often I'll use a dishwasher. I just love that I have a place to store clean dishes and that I don't have to put them on the counter anymore. All of these cabinets are also tap to open. I think honestly it's gonna take me some getting used to. Here's a neat little feature. They have a cutting board built in. It actually goes pretty far out, but I don't want it to fall, so I'm not gonna pull that all the way out. There's also one on this side. Then we have these cabinets. Definitely need a stool because getting to the top will be difficult for me. And then you just have your stove, your microwave, and we have this refrigerator. So that's pretty much it for this apartment tour. I hope you liked the video. I'm so excited to move into a new space. It just feels like a fresh new start and I'm so looking forward to it. I don't think it's really sunken in yet that I'm moving in here. Like, I can't believe this place is mine. Thank you so much for watching, and seriously, thank you so much for all of your support because none of this would be possible without all of your support, and I definitely would not be here. So I am forever grateful to every single one of you who watches my videos. I'm also just really excited to be in a new space and share more with you. Now that I'm thinking about it, I feel like I kind of outgrew my old place, but was just trying to force myself to make it work and stay there. But now I know. This is wild. Okay, I am going to go now. Thank you so much again for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye!